Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video will be useful and informative for you. Today I will discuss in this video I will teach you how to fix sun icons turn white on any iPhone update. Let's get started guys. Without wasting any time, first off you go to on weather app and then click and show you is a white contrast on weather app. Have setting on your iPhone done. First of all, so guys, open the setting and then scroll up and then click on Stability and then click on display and text size and then click on increase contrast, then off and then again on, and your problem is fixed. So guys, and increase and then contrast you, and this your problem will be fixed. And now go to back and your problem will be fixed 100%. That's video will be helpful for you. That's it, like and share this video before you go to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.